First, go to Marketing, Engagement Studio, click Add Engagement Program. You can name your email here with your internal naming convention. Select your folder and your recipient list. All engagement studios must have a recipient list associated with it. Select the days and the times you would like your emails to be sent out. By default, you do not want to allow prospects to enter a program more than once. Then click Save, and then you can select your journey. Here you have 3 main categories to add to your journey: actions, triggers, and rules. Actions are things like sending an email, removing a tag, or creating a Salesforce task. All email sends must be a template already in Pardot and published. If you don't see a template you've created in Pardot, please verify that it was published. Then you can select when you want the email to go out. This is all going to be referenced. All times are referenced from when a prospect is added onto your list. If you want it to go out immediately, wait a few days or on a specific date. You can also do triggers. Triggers are going to be based off of events like email link clicks, email opens, landing page submissions, file downloads, etc. Your last option is going to be for rules. Rules or evaluation periods. For example, check if they're a part of a particular list. You can also, with the latest update, have multiple criteria for a rule, like being part of a specific list and also having a Pardot grade of A+. And once again, you can set up your time criteria here. Check immediately or wait. Now you can continue by grouping all 3 categories: rules, triggers, and actions. Going to the test section right here. Remember, the testing section does not actually send any emails, but is primarily used to test out the logic and timings. You can click on the date you would like your test to begin. So let's say a prospect enters on the 25th. Click Begin Test, and you can see it's going through your engagement studio and showing you how long it'll take to go through the whole program. And that's how you create an engagement studio and test it.